you know that yellow rose is me? You love someone forever. Did you know they say forever I'll be true? Why did you have to go astray? Leave the truth our love away. Why did you leave a secret yellow rose? You couldn't tell me to my face that you had found another, and it never crossed my mind you'd be untrue. So today, as I lay sleeping, you left me here alone, and you said goodbye with a single yellow rose.
Abo, nakakota na po Vice Mayor rin. Insala namin ang kagawa din.
To my face that you had found another, and it never crossed my mind you'd be untrue. So today, as I lay sleeping, you left me here alone, and you said goodbye with a single yellow rose.
Yan, thank you so much, Mayor Marcos, and of course, to her wife.